Okay guys, so now is mag-activate tayo ng ating GCash card. Okay, so una yung gawin is open nyo yung GCash apps. Tapos click view all services. Scroll down, tapos hanapin nyo yung cards. Ayan yung cards. Tapos link my card. So hintayin natin my OTP. So 394388 submit. So link GCash card. So enter your card information. So ilagay natin yung last digit ng ating card number guys. So 1539, tapos yung virtual account number. So nasa card po yun nyo guys, so makita nyo yun. So seven 2961. So next is your GCash card is now linked. So gawa tayo ng PIN guys. So yung PIN na ginagamit natin sa GCash ay hindi po yun pwede. So gawa tayo ng bagong PIN. Yun po yung gagamitin natin pag sa machine. So pag mag-insert tayo sa machine, yun po yung gagamitin natin yung PIN. Okay, tapos confirm. Tapos click next. Yan guys, GCash card link. So nakapag-activate na tayo na ating GCash card. So pwede na ito gagamitin. GCash card has been activated.